Bravo, more than just an exclamation. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a commonly used word in the English language and its origins. Bravo. Ever heard someone shout, "Bravo," after a performance? Let's explore what it means and when to use it. Bravo is an exclamation used to express approval, especially of a performance. It's often shouted at the end of a performance, like a play or a concert, to show appreciation and admiration for the performer's skills. For example, after a stunning piano concert, you might hear the audience clapping and shouting, "Bravo! Bravo!" The word bravo has its origins in Italian. It means good or well done. Over time, this expression has been adopted by many languages, including English, to applaud performers. In English, it's common to use bravo for both male and female performers. However, in Italian, bravo is used for a male performer, while brava is used for a female performer. While bravo is most commonly associated with performances, it's not limited to that context. People might use bravo in everyday speech to commend someone for a job well done. For instance, if a friend shares a piece of good news or achieves something special, you might say, "Bravo! That's fantastic news." So the next time you're impressed by someone's performance or achievement, whether it's on a grand stage or in a simple everyday moment, don't hesitate to show your appreciation with a hearty bravo. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you now feel confident using this exclamation in the right context. Cheers to celebrating achievements and spreading positivity.